How y'all doing? What is going on? Welcome to a tutorial for your kit. Now, as you can see, this is what we are making. There's a little list in your folder with your kit that will tell you what beads you should have for it. Now remember, there's only the exact number that you need in this kit. So if you lose any, you will have to come back on Sunday night to get more. But you might have to wait 2 Sunday nights because I will not be bringing beads to Rangers every single night. I'm going to actually sort them into piles real quick. Don't help me any, but I would suggest when you guys put them out, put them into a paper bowl, a plate, something, so that you can keep track of all of them. They are important. You will need every single bead in this kit. Okay, now with these beads, you have your centerpiece and your 2 different smaller stylish pieces and your bone pieces as well. We're going to grab our string, which you guys have a cut piece already. Don't worry, you can start either way by putting a knot in the end and starting from one end, or putting the centerpiece and going out from the center. It don't matter, because the string is longer than what you need, just in case you have to cut some off at the end because it starts fraying. Now I'm going to start with this in the center. And we're going to put one of the little green beads on the end, because you'll have one of those on each side of it. Now with that, you then will put one of the bone pieces on, put one of the bone pieces on it, then you'll put a little green piece, a blue chevron, another green piece, and then your black bone again. And you'll repeat that till you have 6 black bone pieces on each side. Now the pattern for it should look something like this. Go and tie it. Now I'm going to do a overly done square knot. You can tie it however you want, but instead of doing your normal square knot, I cross it over a second time with it. and sometimes I've done 3 with other ones I've done, but you want to make sure it's tight so that it will not come untied. And you cut them. Now be careful with scissors. If you're younger, please have a parent help you. And then either wrap it or burn it or just let it be, whatever one you want. I'm probably going to let it be on this one. And there we go. That is the necklace and your guys' kit complete. Let's see if I can get this all in one shot there.